We find great value in Varonis from the visibility that it provides, being able to see the information easily and quickly, having the support on hand if we need help, or incident response if we have a question. My name is Cliff Gartska. I'm a senior systems administrator with SugarCreek. We are a food manufacturer, and so we make products for other people. They give us their trade secrets, their recipes, and then we have to make it. It's our job to protect that and keep it secure. Part of the challenge with data security is just the users. We don't have control over what they do in SharePoint, OneDrive. There's so many different spots where they can share files with the whole company inadvertently. Having Varonis to be able to alert us when somebody does that, then we can go and work with the user. The alerts are really a big piece of what we use Varonis for day to day. Varonis just makes it a lot easier for us to quickly understand, have context. The incident response team has been great. That extra eye watching out for us gives me a lot of peace of mind knowing that they're there, that we have the extra support and the help, and have the visibility of the information. We saw a lot of the benefits in the SaaS program. The transition was really super easy. Being able to have somebody walk you through it was a really huge benefit. The user interface was simpler, it was easier. The other piece that was really valuable for us was the much faster development cycles. There is no update process. It's just done and taken care of. Varonis is fantastic. The support is the best support out of any of our other vendors that we have. They do just a great job, always super responsive. And the incident response team has been just a great help and support for us. The SaaS platform, our sales engineer, our support all work together to make our lives easy.